Okay, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about uh, now we have come to the final stage. Okay, now we just have to uh, uh, study only one this small thing. We have to discuss about another question. Okay, this very simple thing. Okay, in yesterday yesterday last lecture regarding to our revision class of Cat 1, our sir Uday Kumar sir said about something about this question. Okay, now let's discuss about the question. This is very simple regarding to the steam tables. We already know about steam tables in thermodynamics. Sir said that here, this is here just share something said something about the steam table. Okay, determine the specific volume of water. Determine the specific volume of water at saturation temperature for a pressure of 4 meganewton meter minus 2. Here, uh, share mostly discussed about how in if you find did you see did you refer the steam tables before this moment? If you refer the steam tables there, you will find the pressure in bar unit. Sir discussed about what is bar and how to convert this Newton meter minus 2 or Pascal to the bar. That is the main aspects aspect we discussed at the last lecture. Okay, sir said okay. Let's discuss about one bar is equal to we already studied in advanced level physics, chemistry, I think physics also. 1 bar is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 5 Newton meter minus 2 is or 1 bar is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Therefore, you can substitute 1 bar instead of 1 into 10 to the power 5 Newton meter minus 2. Or you can substitute 1 bar instead of 1 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. That is the main thing we have discussed uh, in this section. Okay, 4 Newton. 4. What is this M? This M is mega. We already studied in mostly we already mostly we studied many things in A level time. Here, Sir also said that some if you please refer all the confusion classes we already discussed about. Okay, most of the things you have already studied in advanced level. Now we studied very deeply with many questions. Okay, but here steady flow equation we studied here, but non-flow equation we already studied in advanced level. Mega we already studied in but advanced level. 6 mega is 10 to the power 6. Kilo is 10 to the power 3. Okay, kilo this very important. Giga is 10 to the power 6. Okay, kilo, mega, giga 10 to the power 3. Mega m. M means mega, that is 10 to the power 6. K means kilo, 10 to the power 3. We already know this. Giga, G. G means giga. Sometimes they may give answer in G or M or K to check our knowledge. Yeah, well, don't waste, don't miss these questions. Okay, G means giga, the 10 to the power 9. Uh, Kilo is 10 to the power 3, mega is 10 to the power 6, therefore giga is 10 to the power 9. 10 to the power 3, 10 to the 6, 10 to the power 9. Okay, now here is, say here the question is 4 meganewton minus 2. 4 meganewton minus 2. 4 meganewton minus 2. If you want to find the if you want to use the steam table to find anything, we have to convert the Pascal to bar. Therefore, how can we convert? This is the main aspect we have discussed in last lecture. Okay, the last lecture we discussed about 4 into 10, mega means 10 to the power 6 Newton meter minus 2. 4 into 10 to the power 6. I substitute 10 to the power 6 instead of m mega 10 to the power 6. Okay, 4 into 10 to the power 5. Now I can write this as 40 into 10 to the power 5 Newton minus 2. Why? Because I have to convert. I want to convert to bar. Therefore, I have to split the 10 to the power 5 separately to get bar. Now 40 into 1 into 10 to the power 5 5 Pascal. Therefore, we can substitute bar instead of 1 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Therefore, 40 bar. This is the main thing we discussed yesterday. Okay, 40 bar. Uh, okay, 4 mega Newton meter minus 2 is 4 mega Newton meter minus 2 or 4 Pascal is equal to uh, 40 bar. Okay, 40 bar. That is the main thing we have discussed. We have to memorize only one thing is 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power 5. 10 to the 5 Newton meter minus 2 or Pascal. Okay, mostly we have yesterday mostly we have covered many things about 90% of the discussions at the now we have discussed most of the last yesterday's lecture. Okay, revision class we have mostly covered everything. Mostly we have to refer one question. uh, Here I take some notes for the yesterday. I took some notes at the revision class. We have discussed this page. Uh, this is another thing. Okay, this also we have now we have discussed everything in this page also. Now, sir said that said about the get exam that the non-programmable calculators are not the program. We don't carry different calculators. I think there is some there is now there are some calculators which can use AI at the calculator. There is there is AI inbuilt in the calculator. Say that calculators are not allowed. If they find, you have to face some legal exchange. Okay, they have also said that only use normal calculators. Okay, before going to the get the exam, please ask the exam supervisor, exam supervisor about can you use your calculator. Okay, don't take risk. Then sir say that don't now sir say that the TMA sir will they will extend the due date of the TMA 1. Okay, they said now we have to study for the fine get exam now. Therefore, don't do any lab report or DMA. Please, sir, recommend us to do the lab report and get exam. Get sorry TMA 1 answer after the get 1 exam. Okay. Therefore, calculators the different calculators are not allowed, and they will say said that they will extend the TMA due date. Therefore, don't worry about the TMA nowadays. And uh, said will open the lab report Dropbox after says on get exam about 20th July like that. Okay, sir will uh, they will open the Dropbox. If we, the due date of the Dropbox will be 20th June, July 2026. Okay, that's the main thing. Here we have discussed the main thing here, that is determine the specific volume of water. Now we have to find the specific volume of water at saturation temperature at the pressure of 4 mega Newton minus 2. 4 mega Newton minus 2 means 40 bar. We have found there 40 bar. Therefore, if we they will not give the in this for this get one exam, they will not give the steam tables. Tables are used to find this pressure, saturation temperature, specific volume. But they say that if they the total pages of their steam tables are 10 pages. Okay, 10 pages. Therefore, they will not give the steam tables. They will give the required values. What values we want. Therefore, pressure will be if they give the pressure for meganewton minus 2, we have to convert that 40 bar, and they will give directly. They will give the give directly the values of at 40 bar pressure. The saturation temperature is 250.3 degrees Celsius. Specific volume, we have to find the specific volume, that is 0.001252 meter cube per kilogram. Okay, that's the main thing. This shows that at the pressure of 4 meganewton minutes to, this is 40 bar, saturation temperature is 250.3 degrees Celsius, and the specific volume water is 0.01 250 meter cube kilogram. That is the no, there is no question. That's explanation. Okay. Now, mostly I have covered everything. We have to repair only one last question. Okay. Next video we can discuss about that.